Hello all, welcome to my channel. I'm Raju Pujala. I have been doing these SQL videos for a long time and I'm targeting to do at least 90 videos which helps everyone to understand from the basics point of view and also the advanced concepts in the SQL. So in this video, let's take a look at pivot table. So I'm sure that being a data analyst or a data scientist, you might have come across this pivot tables at one point of your career for sure. If in case if you're a begin fresher or if you have not experienced this pivot table, I will give a little bit brief about pivot table before jumping into the BigQuery. Let's go ahead into the Google Sheets. Okay, so we have three columns of data. So A is the column A has products A and B, and B has months January, February, and the sales of the products in each every month. So if we do the pivot table, so this is like okay, fine. But if I would like to transform the columns, the rows into columns, and the columns into row like this one. So for example, instead of January, February here, I would like to have January here. I would like to have February here. So if you look at over here, so what we did, we transposed the rows data into the columns and the column data into the rows. Okay. So how we can do this in the Google Sheets? It's very easy. So for example, if this is a table, um, click on insert and pivot table. For Microsoft Excel users, there is a direct option to go to the pivot table, right? So click on the pivot table, select a new sheet, and here rows. I would like to, so what I'm planning to show here, the rows, and the first one is a product. So let's go to the pivot table. So I would like to have product here. So it has come here. And on the columns, I would like to have the months. And I would like to have the values of the sales. So this one is exactly as same as this one, A100, 120, A120, 100. Can see, and also it has the grand total and everything. So let's see how we can do the same in the BigQuery. Let's directly jump into the BigQuery. If in case if you're not sure about how we land on this GCP project and this BigQuery tool, I strongly suggest and recommend you to watch all the videos in this playlist. Okay, let's take a temporary table with sales data as, okay, select. Okay, let me copy this data and we'll create the same data over here, right? Okay, so select A as product. Okay, Jan as month, 100 as sales, union all. Second row, we're adding select A, Feb, how much, 120, union all. Select B, Jan, 80, union all. Select B, mm, Feb, 19. Okay, so let's delete this dummy data from here. And so this is the common table expression. So select star from sales data. Okay, now we have the data which exactly looks like this, and we are going to transform this data into like this one. So unfortunately we don't have a direct function in BigQuery or SQL to pivot this one, but for unpivot we directly have an option. So let's see what we can do for the pivot table. So I would like to have product, right? Product. And now, so we would like to transform this into the columns, right? So what we have to do, let's see this one. Case when, so we already know about this function. Case one is like if condition. Case case when month is equal to Jan, then I would like to have the sales of the Jan, else 0. Okay, end. So this one I would like, I'm typing it again. Case when month is equal to Jan, then I would like to have the January sales. What if whatever the months which are listing here, if in case if it is not there, I would like to return 0. Then sales else 0 end. and I am looking for the sum, right? So sum of it. Okay, so basically now January sum as Jan. Okay, let's do the same for February as well. When case when month is equal to Feb, then sales else 0 and I would like to sum that, and as February. Okay, from the sales data, and whenever we do the aggregate functions, we have to group by the rest of the columns where which we are not aggregating. So product, let's run this one. So now we have successfully transposed the rows into the columns, and this is the pivot table that we are targeting to achieve. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or concern queries, please do let me know over chat, or like comments. Thank you, and I wish you have a good day.